Hey guys, I'm setting an 818 right now, and I'm definitely happy to have it back running again. But I did notice when I was driving it that it starts to cut out a little bit when I start to really put my foot on the gas. So I think I might have a boost pressure leak. I'm really hoping that it's not the intake manifold gasket. I really did a good job cleaning up the heads and the intake manifold and used brand new OEM gaskets there. I bought them from Subaru dealership. So I'm really hoping that that's not the issue. But it does feel like a boost pressure leak, so I'll show you how to do a cheap and easy boost pressure leak test. I know a lot of people try to put smoke in it, and a lot of people do a lot of different stuff, but all you really have to do is start the car when it's cold. So I'll show you how to put some Dawn dish soap in a bottle, some spray bottle, and fill it up with some water, and we're going to spray around. You can use this on your exhaust and all kinds of stuff, so hopefully we'll find a leak today. I'll show you. All right, so this works best when the car is cold. So this one is. I haven't started it yet today, so this will be the first startup of the day, and we'll go straight to the exhaust to try to find a leak. That's one right there. This guy here always seems to leak a lot. So it looks like our only leak near the intercooler. Still tons of work to do.